I like empty rooms. As a kid, I saw a book with pictures of empty rooms in Japan at my parents' house. Wood and stone, lots of space. Made me feel calm. My own home is minimalist, but not extremely minimalist. I live pretty simply with my wife and daughter, but we still have furniture, like beds, tables, chairs, and sofas. A friend let me borrow his empty home for a few days. He moved with his family to the countryside. No stuff there, just empty. A bit dusty from the recent kitchen renovation. Haven't cleaned it yet. I got 10 days alone as my wife and daughter went on a work holiday trip abroad. So I moved into my friend's empty home. Living simple, just basics. Some might think the empty home is too empty. But I like it. Feels peaceful. Time for a tour. First, let's start with the big room. It used to be the living room, but now it's my everything room. The room is empty except for a few things. A laptop for work, a small mat to sit on the floor, a jar for water, a small pouch for cables, camera, phone, and wallet, and shoes by the door. That's all for the big room. The big windows provide a view of the pool and the ocean. I spend a lot of time outside walking by the ocean. But inside, the empty room helps me focus. I can work, think, and exercise in peace. No clutter, no mess. Just wide open space for a simple life. The kitchen only has a few essentials. No tables, no chairs. I have 2 bowls, a fork, a knife, and a spoon. 1 pan and a cutting board. A few containers for leftovers. The most important thing in the kitchen is the Thermomix machine. I cook all my food in it. No need for a coffee maker. I use the Thermomix for hot herbal infusion as well. I keep my food in 3 bags on the floor. 1 for fruits, 1 for veggies, and 1 for other foods like rice and beans. There's no fridge and nothing in cabinets. There are no tables or chairs in the kitchen. I eat on the floor, which allows me to move around a lot and not get stiff. I love having no extra stuff. It makes me think about what I really need and prevents me from wasting money on junk. The 3 food bags are perfect. Keeping fresh food separate makes it easy to see what I have. Not having tables gets in the way. I just squat to get food from the bags, which gives me a little exercise with each meal. Nothing ties me down in my empty home. I'm free of clutter and can spend money on good food instead. Cooking is easy with just a few dishes. I wash them right after eating, so there's no mess. Fast cleanup makes for simple living at its best. I have ADHD, and an empty home really helps me focus. There are no distractions or clutter to overwhelm me. Minimalism isn't an extreme lifestyle. It's about simplifying life and reducing unnecessary stress. The normal way of accumulating possessions seems like madness to me. It's a waste of time and money on things that aren't essential. In an empty space, my mind feels calmer. In my empty home, I don't worry about losing things. Having fewer objects means cleaning up is quick and easy. A blank, empty room allows me to concentrate without feeling weighed down by stuff. It helps my mind stay present and peaceful. My bedroom consists solely of an air mattress and a sleeping bag on the floor. There's no bed frame, no pictures, no extras. All my books and media are digital, stored on my computer. I have no physical books taking up space. In my closet, there's just 1 small suitcase for all my clothes. It's incredible how everything I own fits into it. I also have a backpack and a duffel bag. It's amazing how few bags I need. My bathroom is super simple too. I have a little toiletry bag with essentials like a toothbrush, razor, soap, and deodorant. I use a fast-drying towel for hikes. The bathroom is empty, devoid of shampoo or other products. I only keep what's necessary. I have a huge terrace where I can enjoy the fresh air and the outdoors. There's a beach nearby for walks. Living a minimalist life brings me more joy and freedom. I don't waste energy on stuff. Before, I used to waste time managing clutter and possessions. Possessions drained my money, space, and mental energy. Having too much stuff was exhausting. Minimalism has set me free. Having fewer items means I spend more time outside in nature, experiencing true joy instead of being weighed down by stuff. I live in silence with little stuff, akin to a monk. It's time for meditation and presence, not tending to junk. Even if you're not fully minimalist, take a look at your home. Find what excess is weighing you down. Having little stuff is all I need for contentment.